Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to a frame in Canva the easy way. Whether you're designing a social media post, an invitation, or just experimenting with creative layouts, frames are a fantastic tool to make your visuals look clean and professional. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one. Once your project is ready, head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on Elements. Scroll down until you find the Frame section. If you don't see it right away, click See All to open the full library. Canva has tons of options, from simple rectangles and circles to fun, abstract shapes. So take a moment to pick one that matches your design style. Click on the frame you want and it will appear on your canvas. You can drag it around, resize it, and place it exactly where you want it. Now it's time to bring in your photo. Go to the Uploads tab on the left and upload an image from your device. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it appear as a thumbnail in the Uploads panel. Here's the fun part. Just drag your photo over the frame. Canva will automatically snap it into place, perfectly fitting inside the shape. If you want to reposition it, double-click inside the frame and drag the image until it looks just right. And that's it. You've added your photo into a frame in just a few simple steps. This quick trick can take your Canva designs to the next level, making them more polished and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.